Welcome back to CoCC House. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. I'm still sleepy.
I need coffee.
Same here.
This coffee smells amazing.
It's a beautiful morning today.
So, what do you want to do today?
I don't know. Maybe relax?
Or go out somewhere?
Yeah, let's do something fun.
Well, I have a plan.
Oh, really? Tell us.
I'm gonna take my little brother Felipe around the city.
That sounds nice.
How old is he?
He is 8 years old.
Oh, that's cute. Where are you going?
I want to show him the park, the beach, and other places.
Like a city tour.
Exactly. That's a great idea. He's going to love it. Take pictures. I will.
Wow, this park is so big.
Yes, this is the park.
I see trees and flowers.
And a playground over there.
Can we go to the playground?
Yes, let's go.
Look, a dog.
Yes, people walk their dogs in the park.
I love the swings.
Be careful.
I like this place.
Me too.
Is this the beach?
Yes, this is the beach.
The water is beautiful.
And the sand is warm.
Can we walk near the ocean?
Sure.
I see many people.
Yes, people love the beach.
I want ice cream.
Let's find a shop.
Hello.
Hi, can we have 2 ice creams?
Chocolate, please.
And vanilla for me.
Thank you.
Let's sit here.
This is delicious.
Yes, it is. Now let's walk around the city.
What is that building?
That is a hospital. And that is a school.
I see a restaurant.
Yes, that's a restaurant.
And that big place?
That is a supermarket.
Wow.
This is the city center.
I like the city.
Me too. Hi, everyone. I'm back.
Welcome back.
How was your day?
Did you have fun?
Tell us everything.
It was great.
Where did you go?
We went to the park. Then we went to the beach. We visited a shop.
We saw a hospital and a school. And we walked in the city center.
That sounds amazing.
Did Felipe like it? Yes, he loved it.
What was your favorite place?
The park and the beach.
Oh, I want to go too.
Me too.
Today we visited many places in the city.
Park, beach, shop, hospital,
School, city center,
restaurant.
supermarket. Good morning. Today, I'm going to explore more places in the city with Felipe. He loves discovering new places.
That sounds fun.
Do you have a map?
Yes, I do. Today, we're going to explore more places in the city. Because yesterday was amazing.
Yes. I realize there are so many places I don't know yet.
Exactly. A city is full of interesting places where people work, study, shop, and relax.
Are we going to visit only cultural places?
No, today we're visiting practical places too.
like the bank and the supermarket.
Is this a school?
It's a university. Students come here to study different careers.
What do you need to enter a university?
Usually, you need to finish high school first.
Studying here must be exciting.
Wow, this place is huge.
This is the train station. People come here to travel to other cities.
How often do trains arrive?
Usually every hour, but it depends on the schedule.
I would love to travel by train one day. What is that shop?
That is a pharmacy.
What do people do there?
People buy medicine there.
Oh, I understand.
It's important to know where it is.
Yes, in case you feel sick.
Exactly.
Why is everyone pushing a cart?
Because they are buying groceries for the week.
I see vegetables, fruit, and cleaning products.
Yes, supermarkets are very convenient because you can find almost everything.
That makes life easier.
What happens in this building?
This is City Hall. Local authorities work here and make decisions for the city.
So it's an important place.
Yes, it's where many official documents are processed.
I love this park. It feels peaceful.
Parks are important because people need green spaces to relax and exercise.
Some people are jogging and others are walking their dogs.
It's a place where the community meets. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the Tourist Information Center?
Sure. Go straight ahead, turn left at the bank, and it's next to the shopping mall.
Go straight ahead, turn left at the bank, and it's next to the shopping mall.
Thank you very much. Asking for directions is very useful when you visit a new city.
What is this building?
This is a museum.
What can we see here?
You can see history, art, and interesting objects.
That's cool.
We decided to come here because you like history.
Yes, I love it.
Look at that painting.
It's beautiful. Wow, a cinema.
Yes. Do you want to watch a movie?
Yes, please.
Let's check the schedule.
What movie can we watch?
There is an animated movie.
Perfect.
People come here to watch movies and relax.
I love the cinema.
Me too.
Wow, Connie, that movie was amazing. I really liked it. It was funny and exciting.
I'm happy you enjoyed it. What was your favorite part?
I loved the ending and the funny characters. Now I'm hungry.
Hungry already?
Yes, watching movies makes me hungry.
Then I know the perfect place.
Really? Where?
There's a fast food restaurant near here.
Awesome! How do we get there?
We have to walk straight, cross the street, and turn right at the traffic lights. It's next to the movie theater.
Great! I want fries.
And maybe a burger too?
Yes! Connie, what is that building?
That's a bank. People keep their money there.
Can kids have money in a bank?
Yes, sometimes they can.
Connie, what is that wonderful smell?
I think it's coming from that bakery.
Wow, it smells so good.
Would you like to go inside? We can buy some sweet pastries or fresh bread.
Yes!
Let's go and choose something tasty.
I hope they have chocolate. delicious. What's that big red truck?
That's a fire truck. It's from the fire station.
Can firefighters help animals too?
Yes, sometimes they do.
That's awesome!
I saw it twice.
Where do people take airplanes?
At the airport.
Where's the airport?
Excuse me, how do we get to the airport?
Take bus number 10. Get off at Central Avenue.
And follow the signs.
Follow the signs?
Yes, the airport is at the end of the avenue.
Wow, I want to see airplanes.
I need to go to the post office to send a letter before it closes.
Do you know where it is?
Not exactly. Let's ask someone. Excuse me, where is the post office?
Walk straight. Cross the street. And turn right at the bakery. It's between the pharmacy and the bank.
Walk straight, cross the street, and turn right at the bakery. It's between the pharmacy and the bank.
Perfect. Thank you. Come on, let's hurry. Great. The letter has been sent.
Perfect. Now we can go home.
Yes, let's go home and get some rest.
Good idea. Let's go.
Like this video. Bye!